Hey, it's another Talking Hands video. Actually, this is the second time I've done this video. I did it earlier and just wasn't feeling it, making mistakes left and right. So I decided to take a break, start all over again. So what I'm doing is I am reassembling the Rat Rod Shaman that, somebody called it, Rat Mod, like the Rat Rod cars. And I was like, hey, that's a pretty cool idea. Pretty cool name. I'm going to do that. Also, one of the things I'm going to do is I'm replacing this brass, I think it's brass copper, I think it's brass, backspacer with this titanium one. Even though I will like how, this will age in patina, I did want to go something lighter. So I got a scale over here. The original brass one is 11 grams. This titanium one, 6. So that's, about half the weight there. It's not like this makes it like super heavy, but I guess it's what they say, every ounce counts. In this case, every gram counts. I already got the liners here, I guess that's what you call them, put back in the scales. It was a little tight. I think with all the mucking around that I did, I kind of messed up how these liners fit in the scales, but hopefully that's all sorted out now. Let's go ahead. Drop this pin in. Ooh, come on, back out. Try it again. Go ahead, get that pin in there. All right. See, we got our main blade. I already put the pivot in there, swivel, whatever you want to call it. Put that in there. So I'm gonna washer it up. One on each side. There we go. Get that set in there. Thank you. What's next? I guess this piece. The other scale. Set that on top for the set moment. I've been using the Work Sharp outdoor sharpener because it's got the exact 3 sizes of bits that I need for this. Alrighty. Yeah, that last video I was doing was real bad and awkward. If you think this one's going to be awkward and full of mistakes. Good thing you didn't see the other one. I mean, I'm okay with people, making mistakes and showing it on video. That's kind of what I want people to do. It makes it more real. But that last one, it was really bad. Yeah, you saw me grab the blade there with my thumb. I didn't cut myself, luckily. That would have been a mistake as well, just to see. Yeah, some people are really defensive, especially about their SpyderCos, about doing stuff to it. It's like, hey man, let people mod their stuff if they want. If they don't want it pristine, it's okay. Come on, this is just not... Yeah, I got that. Well, jeez, I was way off. There we go. No wonder why I wasn't going. I was way off on my placement. Okay. Let's try this again. Come on, back over there, buddy. Here we go. It sounds like it's settling in. Oh, man. Darn it. All right, let's try it from this way. See, this is what I mean by making mistakes on video. Everybody's not going to get it 100% right 100% of the time. They just edit that stuff out and be like, see, I'm perfect, no issues. Not me. Everybody knows I'm full of issues. Here we go. Let's get this. Oh, make sure you get this other side's good. I'm going to readjust everything later. Just basically snugging it up to hold it tight for now. Alright, we got our back spacer. Take this one out. Yeah, my last video, unedited of course, was like 30 minutes long of trying to do this. That's just ridiculous. My last attempt. Hopefully this one isn't like that. There we go. So I got that lined up in there. I don't know. I can't see. Feels good though. Nope, way off. Come on, get out of there. Oh gosh, I hope y'all have been seeing what I've been doing on screen. Sorry, that's me just adjusting the chair. I'm gonna stand up, take a look at it. That is the difficult part, is seeing where these line up. Okay, I think I got it. Of course, I said that last time too. Come on. I thought I had it. So what I'm trying to do is line this up in there and then drop them tiny screws in there on top of that. Maybe I can just do it like this. Maybe we'll just, do it like this and swing it back in. Let's see if that works. Wait a minute, what did I do? Did I do this backwards? Ah, I got confused and did this backwards. See, look at that. See, that's not gonna work. Got confused and did it backwards. See, if you think this was a mess, well, before it was really bad. like, come on, you big dummy, you can't get a simple screw in? Well... Wait a minute, I'm not using the right bit driver too. Ugh. It's using too small one, see? Goes a lot easier when you're using the right size driver. Go ahead and work on the other side. I know, I'm painful to watch sometimes. But yeah, people, yeah, why not? Why not let them modify their own stuff? You know, not everybody likes a, you know, pristine classic car. Some people like the classic cars, you know, hot rodded up. Some like them rat rodded up. That's okay, each their own. They ain't hurting you, they ain't hurting your collection. I'm not doing this to your SpyderCo. You wouldn't let me do this to your SpyderCo, but gosh, I didn't strip that out. Probably not. Just thought I was sitting a little high. So just snugging everything back up. I might have actually stripped that out. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, that's okay though. I mean, it's not okay, but it's okay. Okay, make sure this side. Make sure the pivots are tight. Okay, pivots are tight. And of course the centering is way off. It's okay, that was to be expected. So now, loosen the pivot up. Shove that paper in there. Tighten it back up. Still a little off. Get that wedged in there. Come on, buddy. Still off, darn it. Alright, I'm gonna pause this, come back in a minute. Alright, now that we got that straightened out, we'll go ahead and just put the pocket clip back on. Again, it's an aftermarket one, so we're only using 2 of those holes. Again, just, you know, there's my knife. Do what I want with it. You can do with what's your knife, what you will. But I will definitely say a disclaimer, I would not recommend doing all the stuff I did to this knife. But I'm not going to stop you and yell at you for doing it. It's your own stuff. Modify it how you want. But I am not liable. And SpyderCo is not going to warranty anything you mess up, because there is a high probability something will go wrong. So it's on you. Come on, where you at, buddy? There we go. There we are. Ugly. But it's mine. Remember, get outside, enjoy life, do some experiments, mod your stuff if you want. Don't let anyone bring you down. Have a good one. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.